Hello, we got a tap and die set here that was left outside and got pretty rusty right here. So what I'm gonna do is use apple cider vinegar, this one right here, put it in a jar, soak it for a couple days, and let's see what happens. We come back in 2 days. Okay, these were soaked in the apple cider vinegar for 2 days. So these are the results. Pretty much that's before, that's the rest of it. After 48 hours. Came out pretty clean. I guess that apple cider vinegar works pretty good. So you could get that rust out pretty quick.